Hello, welcome back to the channel. It's your favorite girl Munnoh. Thank you so much for coming back if you're a returning subscriber, and if this is the first time you're seeing this face, welcome to the family. Please consider subscribing so that you can become a part of this family, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how I made this Ankara knotted headband. So if this is something you're interested in, please keep watching. For the measurement, you will need your head circumference plus 14 inches. My head circumference is 22 inches, so I'm going to add 14 inches to that, and that will be the length of the fabric I'm going to work with. 22 inches plus 14, that's 36. And for the width, we are going to be using 6 inches. So mark that all the way to the end and then cut it out. So this is what I have, 36 inches by 6 inches. So I am folding the fabric in half, right side facing each other. Okay, so when I do that, I'm going to pin that down all the way to the end of the fabric. After that, I am going to take it to my sewing machine and then sew down all the way to the end. I have finished sewing the fabric closed, so I am going to turn it through now to the right side. This headband is so easy. You can make it in under 30 minutes. You are done. You can make this for yourself. You can make this for your girls if you have girls. Okay, so it's really very easy to make.